They all know that?
Some they know.
Yeah. Yeah, the land now it's outside the city, but actually it's the same distance from the railway station as here, and that will be the center of the city in 10 years. There's already good bus connection to the city, and the price of the land there is jumping up pretty much every day, so better to get sooner than later. So this temple is for all of you and for all others who will be inspired by Prabhupada's teachings in future. So it'll be nice if you are all living there so you can come regularly to all the programs and help with various services. And we also want that you be there. We want to live with the devotees rather than being surrounded by people who are not interested. Now, in the beginning it'll be very simple. ISKCON Salem has always been simple. When people hear the name ISKCON, they think of there's going to be lots of marble and lots of money and all this kind of thing. Well, maybe in Salem in due course of time. But at least in the beginning we're more interested in making some simple structures and go on practicing and preaching Krishna consciousness. So, if anyone has 5 or 6 crores they'd like to donate, then we'll build a very opulent temple. Otherwise it'll be more simple, and we hope everyone can understand this. Somehow or other, our devotees here are they've not been so much in the collection mode. Laksmi and Sarasvati, they don't usually stay together. So we worship them both in our worship of Lord Narayana. But in our Lakshmi is not for us to enjoy, it's for Lord Narayan to enjoy. But at least our devotees here, they're more seeking the blessings of Saraswati to understand how to serve Lord Narayan through the Shastric injunctions. And if Lakshmi Devi so desires, then through her agency we can serve Lord Narayan in an opulent manner also. But the Lord we should know, is not satisfied simply with the display of opulence, but with bhakti, for that opulence is not required. Opulence is that's useful in preaching because mundane people are attracted to opulence. So let's see what the Lord's plan is, how He manifests through His energies. But up till now, we're interested in making some simple structures and then having nice training for devotees in Shastric knowledge. And the temple, there should be tasteful deity worship and lots of kirtan and lots of preaching and lots of prasad distribution. So this is the idea. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Yeah. If there's no question, then Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. When's that Balaji festival going to erode? Huh? Yeah, inquire. You should be there. Follow the Lord wherever He goes. Distribute lots of books.